Alright, this is the elevator here at Menards, here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. This is in the north location, and look what we got. That's right, it's a brand new Abell. My second Abell in a Menards store. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Here are 2. 1. The bell didn't ring. Let's get a cabinet now. Yeah, casual Menards cab. Like usual. Add communicator. Innovation universal buttons, 45 hunchback capacity. Took a while to level there. Go for another ride. I feel like this thing has an electric motor. We're gonna ring the bell. Yes, the usual chime glitch with the door disease featured on it. Like every other Abell, newer Abell like this. This one's pretty well for a brand new Abell. And yes, this is another one of those unfilmed locations, so obviously I am the first one to film this. Alright, here back at 1. There it goes. And that'll be it.